Hey, how's it going out there, guys? Chef Jay here, out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm also affected here by coronavirus. Lost my job, which kind of sucks. But hey, I'm cooking at home. That's why I'm here. Shout out to Rabotat for getting all this together. This is really awesome. You know, we've got everyone from basically around the world. We got people in LA, Las Vegas, you know, some people in Europe. But yeah, it's gonna go good. This is whack as fuck. Just to make fucking salsa. Stop that one. Hey everybody, Chef Jay here. I'm gonna just do a little bit of a quarantine cooking here for you guys. I know everyone's stuck at home, so I figured I was gonna make a few quick recipes or some of my favorites. Just show everybody out there, be like, hey, I can cook at home as well, just like everybody else. Officially here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Originally from Las Cruces, New Mexico. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna cook for you guys a little bit of salsa here. Salsa to me is a staple in New Mexico. I love making salsa. To me, it reminds me of my grandma, my mom, and just, you know, good wholesomeness. Everyone likes it spicy. Before we get started here, I'll pour me one of these guys first, just to kind of get things rolling. I know everything here is a little bit crazy now, but we'll get over this. We always do. The world's crazy, but we're all gonna be all right, no worries. I cheers this to you guys. Hopefully everyone's safe and well. And let's get cooking now. First off, I'm gonna wash my hands. Dirty bastards. Washing hands is essential. I've been cooking for about 15 years now. I know I look super handsomely young, but I've been doing it for a while. Anyways, maybe that wasn't the birthday song, but hey, I'm at home. Fuck you. So I'm gonna mess with some spicy stuff, so I'm gonna put on some gloves, eh? I don't want to scratch my eye. So here in Las Vegas, you know, I mean, we've been affected pretty bad. The restaurant I was working for, Craft Kitchen, how's it going? In Henderson, we actually had to close our doors, but thankfully we have a great chef and great owners. They helped us out, gave us some food just to get us by. But I mean, like I said, we're gonna get through this. Everything's gonna be all right. I'm gonna start off by roasting these vegetables. Cilantro, I'll put this to the side right now. I like to actually get like a really good hard roast on these just because I like that charred flavor on there. So, I mean, everyone, I'll take these off because it might make it just a little bit more bitter. I just start by taking off some of the tops. Just like I was saying, you know, salsa is like a very New Mexican thing for sure. Always salsa on every single Mexican restaurant table, every single Mexican's home, and the gringos. No joke, I be knowing some gringos that be getting down on that salsa.
Me? Uh-oh. No, baby.
Even our pupper be getting down on that salsa, you feel me? Look at that boy, take it easy. I just want to take this time too to say thanks to Rabotat getting this all together. I'm always down to be a part of something that's better than me, greater than me, so when they hit me up, I was just down to do it, of course. I'm actually going to cut off this jalapeno just a little bit, so it's basically the same size as all these Fresno peppers. So I got a roasting pan here. Throw that on there. Got some garlic.
Oh my.
And then, I mean, don't worry, you could rough chop it, you could even just chop it all up, it didn't matter. You're gonna blend it up anyways. I'm gonna just hit it with a little bit of oil, grab my salt, my pepper. You know, don't be shy, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of flavor. A lot of people under-season just because they're afraid they're gonna fuck it all up, but nah, no worries. Confidence, that's one thing that everyone should have. I'll stir up a little bit, make sure they're all coated. But so I got this all going, right? I set my oven over here at 400, and I'm gonna roast this for I'd say about 45 to maybe an hour. Because like I said, I like to get it nice and charred. So you mean, I'll hit you back up, we'll be back, and I'll finish this off and let you guys know. Thanks. Cheers. This is awkward. I guess we're back. Crystal wanted to start.
Get in there.
I'm back. Hey, how's it going out there? You know, we're back in Jay's kitchen. So look what we got here. You just witnessed. I just, honestly just took the tops off, diced up some onion, threw some garlic in there and just roasted it. On any other day, I'd probably roasted it just a little bit longer just to get a little bit more charm there, but you know what I mean? Hey. Oh, look it. I forgot one right there. But you know what? It's a bittersweet kind of deal here. Fuck it. It's okay. No worries. Yeah, see, smell of vision. I've been waiting for that. It's to you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for donating. Go ahead and we're gonna grab this stuff. You can see I got my blender right here. Awa. Water. We got this right here. Peppers, blender. We're gonna need to get things going. Of course, I let the pan cool down. I'm not just grabbing hot stuff. Take it easy. Let it cool down first, and then you can start getting all crazy. I'm wearing gloves just because, I like to pretend I'm a pro. Once everything's all in the blender, all I'm gonna do is just add just a little bit of water, just enough water, just because I still want this to be real thick. So I'm also gonna add the crushed tomato. Just gonna get a little loud. So I like to leave mine just a little bit more chunky, so when you dip that chip in there, you know what I'm talking about. It's real nice and chunky. So I got right here the whole tomatoes. I'll definitely drink to that. So notice I'm using this pot here is because I don't have a big enough bowl. That's quarantine cooking. Use what you got, alright? And then I actually prefer the tomatoes in the can because I feel like they just have more tomato flavor, because if it's diced, I think it's just more water to me. Don't get me wrong, there's water in this too, but I don't know. Alright, blend that up, add that to the salsa mix. Done with this as well. I'll get Crystal to do dishes later, I'm gonna go ahead and add salt, pepper, my favorite, cumin, and a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder. I know there's fresh in there too, but I don't know. To me, it just adds that extra bit of Mexicana, And then I like to zest some lemons. Lime? One will do it. Bad boys are strong. And then I'll also juice it. Soften it up a little. Do that. Go ahead and juice her up. Go. Man, it's gonna work out. Forearms right. Pull out a trusty whisk. There we go. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of cilantro in there. But instead of putting it in the blender, because it'll get all stuck into my blender. I don't have one of the fancy blenders that gets it all. It gets stuck on the bottom of mine. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and rough chop a little bit of it real quick. Go ahead and add that. And now, salsa is complete. Hopefully I can do this gracefully. So saying salsa, man, I don't know. To me, it's just, this screams New Mexico for me. It's where I grew up. I love it. But to me, this is just home. And there we go. We got salsa, a little bit of home, and hopefully you guys can make this in your home. Thanks for watching right now, and I got more coming. Watch out.